I've always been like a sports guy who wants to compete and always be the best in what I do.
Just to give him more credit, because he deserves it in this series and so far in this tournament.
Well, Friberg here in a 1-on-2. The bomb is ticking away. He's got the kit, but he's got almost no HP to work with. Again, a miraculous situation for Friberg if he could win this. He's really trying to find the headshot. He gets the one, goes in for the second. It's a 1-on-1. Friberg, oh my god, he does it! And there is time to defuse as well. Goes in for the second. It's a 1-on-1. Friberg.
Spending a lot of time with players, no matter which sports it is, and really trying hard, and you all have the same goal, and then achieving that goal that you've been aiming for, that's one of the best feelings in the world.